Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today, before we get started on this Matchbox 1957 Chevy Belair, I'd like to say welcome to my new subscribers. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyway, the Matchbox 1957 Chevy Belair, kind of play worn. The paint's off only on the sharp edges like the tail fin. Start by drilling it out. This one was pretty easy to drill out. Probably my easiest one yet. Switch bits then. Snap that ring off. This thing popped apart just slicker than whales. Snot and an ice flow. I have to go off camera here because I can't figure out how to get this motor out and the front end loose. But here it is, all the parts ready for the new life I'm going to give it. Little awl in the post. Tap it out, make it easier. And put our 256 button heads in and get it in the stripper. Our favorite stripper, BP La Citrus. Sorry, private joke. Little shake for good luck. After it came out of the stripper, went to the wire wheel. Normally I would have taken it down to the shop and used it on the bigger wire wheel that I normally use, but my legs are killing me. And I settled on the little one here. Here it is after the wire wheel in a nice bath in alcohol. Thank you, Tony. And then we got the moron cameraman putting the primer on. Can't wait to get my shop area all squared away so I can fire that damn cameraman. Nice coat of Krylon gray. I went with the Hunter Green as because it reminded me of my uncle's car. Windshield in this car was really in good condition. Just needed a good scrubbing and some hot soapy water. Rinsed it, set it aside to dry. Went right into the pledge. Dab it off a little bit. I noticed one little area didn't look like it had any on it. So we went in for another dip. Don't forget the cover, dummy. There you go. Here's all the pieces. I detailed the motor and the interior. Here's what we started with. Well play-worn Matchbox 1957 Chevy Belair with a tilt front end. Here's what we ended up with. I put in all the detail. I scraped lightly on all the trim to bring it out to the chrome. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Nice detailed motor. I painted the fender skirts on the inside black. For now, this is OPA'S saying goodbye.